Alright guys, it's that time again, everyone's favorite vocabulary time. Gonna learn some new words to make you sound even smarter when you use them. Okay, so the story for this week is Leonardo's horse. These are the words. First word, architect. An architect is a person who designs and makes plans for buildings. So before you make a building, the person who designs everything, draws the blueprints, that is the architect. Next word, bronze. Bronze is a dark yellow brown alloy of copper and tin, often used for sculptures and metals, like awards. So it's a type of metal. It's actually a combination of two metals, and it's the color of the two things you can see in the pictures at the bottom. Cannon. So you probably know what a cannon is, but just in case, now you know what the word is. It is a big gun, especially one that is mounted on a base or wheels. Achieved. Okay, to achieve is to carry out to a successful end, accomplish, or do something. So if you achieve something, you did what you were hoping to do. So maybe you studied very hard for a test and you got an A+, then you achieved your goal. Depressed. So if you're depressed, you are gloomy, low-spirited, or sad. Just like Charlie Brown in our picture right there. He looks very depressed. Fashioned. So we know fashion in terms of designing clothes, but the word fashion by itself can also mean just to kind of basically make something, usually with your hands. So to make, shape, or form. So you see the picture of the person on the left is fashioning something out of wood. In the picture on the right is a horse that has been fashioned out of wood. Midst. Okay, midst just means in the middle of. So the red person is in the midst of all the white people there. Okay. A philosopher. A philosopher is a person who attempts to discover and understand the basic nature of knowledge and reality. So these are the kind of people that usually think about things like what is the meaning of life, or how should we live, or things like that. Those are philosophers who think about deep, important questions. Finally, rival. A rival is a person who wants and tries to get the same thing as another, or tries to equal or do better than another, or a competitor. So, for example, we see rivals in sports, like Barcelona, Real Madrid. Those two teams have a rivalry. They are rivals. They both want to win in the same league. Rival could be someone in maybe your classroom, like you both want the #1 place in class and you both work hard to try to get the same thing. Okay, so someone who wants the same thing as you and who you are competing against. Alright, that's it. So make sure you study these words because we're going to be using them again to play more games of WordSync.